Some of you guys have heard me or watched my videos about my beautiful blue Toyota Tundra 2014 5.7 liter V8 double cab 6.5 foot bed. I brag about this truck a lot because it's worth the truck deserves the brag. It's not a perfect truck by any means. However, it's better than many, I would say most all the trucks out there, especially for the price. It's a great value. They don't make them like that. Toyota doesn't even make trucks like this anymore. You all know about that. But I must be honest. Like I said, it's almost perfect. So today, I want to talk to you guys about the things that makes this truck not perfect. The dark and the ugly side of imperfection that goes behind this 2014 Toyota Tundra, or dark side behind this 2007 to 2021 Toyota Tundra vehicles. All right, let's begin here. The color of my truck, it's special. It's called Blue Ribbon. It was a limited edition. Looks great. However, there's a curse to this color. I did not know this, and I overlooked when I was desperate to buy this truck. Shame on me. There are tons of report of paint defect on this truck. Show you some examples right here. Look, it's cracking. Extremely thin paint, just literally cracking off here. When I first bought this truck, like a week later, I noticed, if you can see right underneath this area right there, underneath the hood, it's white. It's showing that paint is missing there. It's cracked. It's flaking, I should say. That's probably the right word, flaking. Yeah, I understand this is a 2014, it's 11-year-old truck. But that chipping of the paint or the flaking, that's not normal. That's not normal. It's good on that side. It's great on that side. There's nothing wrong with that defect in either one of those sides. And this side here. And I know it's going to get worse. It's not going to get any better. Toyota does not have a recall on that, as far as I know. All right, that's one issue. Second issue I'm having with this truck, it's just probably age related. Top coat's coming off. Look at how beautiful this paint is. Metallic, you can see shimmers. Super cool. However, look at that ugliness on here. It's been happening in the last year and a half. Had some issues here and there, but it's just gotten worse. Wait till you see the roof. Really bad. Really bad. Toyota is not known for the best quality paint. The paint, it's always been their last priority to get the best paint job. Lexus, on the other hand, yes, they're thicker paint, better quality paint than the Toyota vehicle. What a shame. If they could have figured it out back in the days how to do best quality construction, vehicle manufacturing like they were doing, and paying attention to the good fit and finish. So those two, these are the paint issues. Besides the front grille, it's popping out, it's plastic, it's really inexpensive, low quality stuff, it's cheap. I gotta get that fixed. I gotta get that replaced. Actually, I need to replace that. It's probably not that expensive. I would say probably $300-400. It's plastic, folks. Coating is cracking there. Plastic, not steel. Headlights fading, which is normal pretty much any vehicle at this age. I clean it once every so often. When I first purchased it, I don't have the picture, unfortunately. I have a light gray cement color leather interior. The bottom, the cover for this cushion right over here was all cracked, and they had repaired it. They did a, I think AutoNation and even probably the dealership before, or the people who had this truck, they had tried to repair that crack that was here with really inferior quality product, a really shoddy job. It looked really bad. It looked horrible. So AutoNation, the salesperson told me, it's like, don't worry about it. It looked really bad. We'll take care of it. So they took care of it, but it looked a little better, but it still looked like a crack job. So fast forward, after I got it, I think first update I did was I ordered a seat cover from this company online. It was $240. Literally, the leather. This is it right there. Literally, this is a cover that goes on the cushion. In order to do that, you got to take the seat out completely, and that's what they did. I took it to a upholstery place, and they charged me $150 to get that done. And you know what? To me, it was well worth it, because every time, if this was in the passenger side or in the back, I probably wouldn't have bothered me as much. But this is right when you get in the truck, you see it. And I love my truck, and I don't want to see that as soon as I walk in, that crap in the side. So happy with this. It's extremely OEM match. I can't tell the difference. Yeah, the stitches look new here. It's a little defect right here. This happened recently. Listen, I don't care. You can't tell. Looks OEM and it looks great. So those are the negatives of this truck. I'm hoping I'm going to try to keep it for about another year, 2 years before I will get the hood painted and the roof painted. Once it gets really bad, don't want to do it now. Do it later and get it going. Listen, this truck, I'm hoping, God willing, I'll get another 400,000 miles out of this before I say, all right, time for something else. Time for something else. Interior, it's in good shape. What I love about this truck is it's very practical. It's got back seat. 3 adults can sit here comfortably. If they're extremely tall, might be a problem, but listen, I'm 5'10". I have no issues with that. That's the driver's seat's reclined back. I'm okay. I think up to 6 foot person, no problem. Got a cup holder, lighter. Ooh, that's just a plastic cover. Nobody smokes anymore, so come on. It doesn't have USB and all that good stuff, but it's an older truck. Let me show you how the seats fold. You got plenty of room right here. Plenty of room. Doesn't have an armrest. Great truck. if you own one of these vehicles, doesn't matter if it's 2007 or any way up to 2021, the entire generation, if you have issues with this truck, any type of issues, doesn't matter if it's the same issues that I have or something completely different, please comment below. Let's help each other out. Like, share, and subscribe if you got anything out of this. And say hi to our doggies. That's Charlie, and Miss Maggie. They are the bosses. They run this world. We're just their common servants. Have a wonderful day. So, do you have anything to add to this video? Maggie, do you have anything to add to this video? Charlie's like, yeah, send us more treats. We love treats. Uncle Charles and Miss Margaret. They're both amazing dogs. They are the protectors. Don't mess with them. They are killer dogs. They will lick you to death. In Chucky's case, their breath will kill you. Toxic. Maggie will bite your ankles. And Charlie, oof, sardine breath, but I love him. My little sardine breath.